Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3.
Item,
Number 3,
yes,
on behalf of Special PPSIT.
special,
PPSIT.
special PP.
Yes, SIT.
Oh,
Investigation.
yes, what is your?
May be listed next week, since he's out of station.
Okay. MS so-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. So-and-so,
Yes, sir.
learned PP SIT.
SIT.
Special PP, SIT.
Special PP SIT and 6 adjournment of fees after a week, listed accordingly.
Well, can it be next week, madam? There's no emergency.
Okay, let us see, let listed on let us see 28, we'll give it.
Madam.
My Lord.
May please, my lord,
Yes.
well, I'd like to mention item number 6.
Ah,
Here I am entering appearance for the sole respondent. Item number 6, my lord, contempt, man.
first time.
First time, my lord. And unfortunately, the respondent, he has misplaced the petition. So I have some difficulty. So I need some time, my lord, to procure it and then file
Mr.
that.
So-and-so submits that he has been engaged to represent the sole respondent. And therefore 6 for 2 weeks' time
3 weeks, my lord. I've
3
taken the
weeks' time.
consent also, man.
to receive necessary instructions. So the learned counsel for the petitioner shall furnish the copy of the contempt petition to Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the sole respondent, within 3 days from the due. Okay.
Obviously.
Your Lordship, I
Yes.
beg to mention one unlisted matter to take up for today.
Unlisted.
Yes, Your.
What is the motion?
Yes, it's
Yes,
for mention.
mentioned before the next court.
Next.
Mentioned before the next court, court number 2.
Yes.
Well, I beg to mention item number 2, man.
Yes,
Leading counsel is having a personal difficulties, man. So the matter may be listed after 3 weeks, man.
Mr. So-and-so makes a submission on behalf of Mr.
Yellow, man.
So-and-so, leading counsel for the petitioner,
Yes, man.
petitioner,
Yes.
and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Prayer is allowed, listed record.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention an unlisted bail application
Yes,
to be taken.
mentioned before the court number 2.
It is only for.
Mentioned before the court number 2.
Yes, yes. Lordship, may I allow to withdraw the item number 11?
Yes, what is your prayer?
Yeah, matter may be closed on instructions.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes.
What is your good name?
Yeah.
Your good name
Yeah, and Chatum.
and
Chatum. Not reflected in the cost list.
you are mentioning on behalf of
C Modi.
C. Chorpok Modi?
Yes.
Chorpok Modi?
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. C. Modi, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and submits that the learned counsel for the petitioner has instructions to withdraw the writ petition. So the writ petition is accordingly closed as withdrawn.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, 8, and 9 on behalf of Mr. D. Kamduk.
On behalf
Standing-
of
Mr. D. Kamduk, Standing Counsel for the Land Management.
the Kamduk,
Yes, Your Lordship.
standing counsel.
Land Management.
Yes, what is your prayer?
Your Lordship, we have to file counter affidavit here.
You have to file affidavit in opposition.
Yes, Your Lordship. This
Mr.
matter may
So-and-so,
be placed after 4 weeks.
Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. D. Kamduk, the learned standing counsel, land management, and 6 for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of which respondent?
Your Lordship, I don't have the briefs.
Sorry,
I just have been instructed.
on behalf of the respondent. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
I would like to.
Please at least come with the minimum instructions.
Item number 1.
Yes, what is
Be
it?
pleased, Lordship. This is a application, a petition against the state authority for custodial death of my son, who was arrested on 10th of August 2015. And he was arrested at midnight by house search, but later on 13th of August 2015, the arresting authority informed me that my son committed suicide by hanging with a t-shirt and half pant. So it's a strong doubt that it was not suicide, but it was a cold blood murder. So here I have already submitted affidavit in reply against the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent. So, my lord, I am not fully prepared today to argue this case. My humble submission is that the matter may be listed after 1 week for final argument.
Has any inquiry been conducted? Has any inquiry been conducted?
Inquiry been
by
conducted.
JMFC.
JMFC.
JMFC, yes. The conducted in the inquiry report also not satisfactory because
Have you challenged that? Have you challenged the inquiry report?
no,
If it is not satisfactory,
because I'm illiterate because it was not enlightened in my knowledge that inquiry has been submitted.
But
Yes,
that counsel, now you are there.
now.
You are there. You cannot take that stand.
Yes, I
Huh?
understand that as I lost my brother, son, so I am approaching before his honorable court seeking compensation, seeking compensation only.
What was the report of the JMFC?
It was purely suicide in nature.
It was purely suicidal in nature.
Yes.
Then I think you should, you need to challenge that inquiry report also. Inquiry report, because I think that inquiry report as of now settles the matter.
Yes, yes.
So I think you will have to challenge that inquiry report also.
Inquiry report,
Huh?
I admit it, but still, due to negligence, suppose it is committed suicide also, my son has been committed suicide also, but still due to negligence of the custodial authority. So I'm entitled to claim little bit
No,
compensation. We do
have a
mother.
right there. You
Yes.
have a right there, but so far this inquiry was conducted on the direction of this court.
Inquiry was conducted by the not by this court, Lordship.
Not on the by the
by the CGM himself.
Come next time you come prepared.
Yes,
Next time you come prepared.
even postmortem report.
We may have to order further inquiry
My lord,
to be conducted by the district and session judge
my lord.
by giving the terms of reference
Yes,
for the
yes.
inquiry. So come prepared.
Yes, my lord.
You also come with at least come with the terms and conditions of reference.
Yes, reference. I'll be prepared, fully prepared, because postmortem report itself said that it's a suspected.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Suspected
submits
thing.
that he is not fully prepared to argue the matter today, and therefore seeks adjournment of the case after a week, listed accordingly. Okay,
Or-
after a week.
Yes, supplementary hearing, my lord.
Admission hearing,
Okay.
it is just wait, it is in what stage?
It is admission
Today
hearing
is
session.
in
Admission
admission.
hearing, it is an
Yes.
admission hearing.
Yes,
So we keep it as it is.
yes,
We keep it as it is.
yes, my lord.
Okay.
Item number 4.
Yes,
My lord, contempt matter, the party is supposed to,
who,
Fine, yeah.
Learned Council, who are the respondent number 3 and 4?
by the private parties there.
This, this, office note-
ADC of the concerned area,
ADC of the
Duporijo. My lord, I'm,
3 and 4, 3 and 4.
yeah.
This were only subsequently pleaded.
Yes, my lord.
Penga Tado, Deputy Commissioner, Upper Subansiri District, Sri Otim Jamo, Additional Deputy Commissioner.
Yes. The earlier incumbent were transferred in the,
Okay, one was transferred, 1 and 2 was transferred.
yes.
So what do we do?
My lord,
Previously
2
anyone
weeks-
appeared?
yes, my lord, after 2 weeks, my presence may be recorded.
Of course, of course. Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Stop. None appears for the respondents. Office note dated 22/4/2022 shows that service report in respect of respondent number 3 and 4 are still awaited. Listed after 2 weeks.
My lord,
Yes.
highly obliged.
Item number 5.
Yes, madam.
Your Lordship, this matter is filed for contempt of court for the non-compliance of the order dated of 24/08/2022, passed in WPC of 178 of 2022 by this honorable court, direction issued to the Department of Health Secretariat.
What was the direction issued?
A direction was Your Lordship, the direction was to make a decision within the 15 days, whether to frame the guidelines of the yoga and naturopathics,
Frame guidelines for
guidelines for the yoga and naturopathics, Your Lordship.
yoga and
Naturopathics, Your Lordship. Naturopathy.
let us see the order which is alleged to have been violated.
Your Lordship, order is annexed in our petition WBC, Lordship, in page number 18, Your Lordship.
Page number.
Annexure number 2, Your Lordship.
This is contempt.
My lord, this contempt, my lord, in fact, we have complied with the court order, my lord.
Oh.
We have filed the affidavit also, my lord. Let us-
Okay, let us just see the court's order which is alleged to have been violated. Which page?
Page number 19, Your Lordship.
19. Yes, let us see that operative portion. Page,
Page 19, Your Lordship.
no, let us see that operative portion.
It's under para number 6, page number 20, Your Lordship. It is mentioned that they have been given a 15 days to discuss. And another 30 days has been also given for the framing of the guidelines.
Upon everything, the guidelines may be framed if so advised. The decision of the CP is to whether such courses in yoga and naturopathy are to be allowed in the state and be taken within a period of 15 days from the date of receipt. And if the decision is in favor of allowing such course, the guidelines be framed by consulting the other authorities within a period of 30 days thereafter. 15 days. Any decision taken?
Yes, my lord.
Learned counsel?
My lord, the additional affidavit we have brought in as per the order dated, my lord, subsequent order dated 3 October 2023, my lord. We
By
have
this
filed
court?
the additional affidavit, my lord.
By this court?
Yes, yes, my lord.
Three?
3rd October 2023. As per this order, we filed the additional affidavit in terms of order dated
3/10/20?
3/10/2023. In terms
Three-
of this order, we filed the additional affidavit.
What was the order in view of the submission made by Tagum?
My lord, as per, Bring on the records, my lord.
Within a period of 3 weeks, enclosing therein the relevant instructions.
yes, my lord.
Yes.
So we have brought on record, my lord, see at page 10 of my additional affidavit, my lord.
Page 10 of your additional affidavit. Let us see, with page 10 of your
Additional affidavit.
affidavit, additional affidavit, page 10. Additional affidavit.
Page,
Filed by respondent number 2, 3, 4, and 5.
my lord.
Additional affidavit.
Yes,
by
yes,
the-
my lord. Yes, my lord.
Yes.
This minute of meeting, my lord. Here detail it has been this have been discussed, my lord. And my lord will see at page 11 of my lord.
Page
Operating,
Yes,
page 11 of the same affidavit, additional affidavit, my lord.
Page 11.
Yes. Now, para 10, my lord.
Just wait, just
My lord,
page,
page 11, my lord. It's start from the
just wait. just
minute.
wait. Page 11 is annexure.
Yes, my lord.
Page
It
11,
start from my lord, page 10.
page 10, this is
Minute of meeting, my lord.
annexure 1.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, para 10, my lord, is after highlighting all the background, my lord, in absence of policy guideline for starting integrated yoga and naturopathy courses such as BYNS from Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, but taking note of the guidelines for accreditation of naturopathy institution dated 4th September 2006, it was decided to issue provisional NOC, no objection certificate on annual basis to any institute in the state of Arunachal Pradesh for course related to naturopathy linked to yoga till such time act, regulation or guideline are framed by the competent authority in central government overseeing the yoga discipline. It was also decided that Ayush Division of the Director of Health Service, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Arunachal Pradesh would henceforth oversee and regulate the issue related to registration of practitioner accreditation of the institution offering courses in the Ayush discipline. This would include the formulation of suitable state-specific regulation or guideline based on central guidelines wherever applicable. The learned Malad decision, basing on this Malad, page 13, my lord. NOC was issued, my lord. The NOC, my lord, since
Page 13.
yes,
13 is order.
yes, this is basing on 13 is order, my lord. That's order giving provisional no NOC objections or no objection certificate to the petitioner university to start the course, my lord. Start the course and page 14, my lord. After this, my lord, we have adopted the guidelines framed by the central government, Government of India, my lord, Ministry of Ayush, my lord, at page 14, my lord.
Yes, ma'am, what more remains? What remains?
Your Lordship, they have been issued the provisional no objection certificate after filing of this contempt of petition, Your Lordship.
That's all right, they have at least complied.
And Your Lordship, this is, no objection certificate has been granted as a provisional, provisional no objection certificate, Your Lordship. And it is
If you
also,
have, if you have any objection to this, you find rejoinder to this.
They should have challenged this order, my lord.
Your Lordship, as the duration of the course is a 5 year. If every years the petitioner university have to renew,
Madam,
it will be a problem, Your Lordship.
Do you understand when contempt proceedings are initiated? If there is substantial compliance, It does not mean that it has to be as per the wish of the petitioner. If there is substantial compliance.
But Your Lordship, it will be
No,
impact.
but it's complied.
If they agree, they have to challenge this order only.
If you still agree, you challenge the order, that's all, in the appropriate forum. Nobody is stopping you from challenging the order passed by the authorities in terms of the order passed in the writ petition. We give you time, you come prepared. You come prepared, you also see what is how contempt proceedings are initiated. There is compliance as per the understanding of the
No,
court.
Your Lordship, as per the order dated of 24/08, they have been given a 30 days. But
That's
after,
all right, this
after,
court can condone, this court can condone. If there is some delay, this court can condone, but they have complied. It does not mean that actually if they don't comply within 30 days, then they are liable for contempt. This court can condone because they have actually complied.
if in case Your
Come.
Lordship, we haven't filed this contempt petition, they won't be taken any
You
initiative.
can't take that ground, you can't take that ground. We are now on the ground as to whether the order passed by this court has been complied. If you want time, I'll give you.
They
Come
can
prepared.
challenge the subsequent order.
Come
otherwise
prepared,
instead of-
come prepared. Come prepared. Okay. In fact, actually, you should have withdrawn, and if you are aggrieved by the order passed by the authorities, you should have actually filed a writ petition.
That is best recourse.
Nothing more, nothing less.
Instead of pending.
Instead of this court dismissing. You come next week, think over and come next week. We'll give you that opportunity. Okay?
Yes, Lordship.
But it'll always be good if you can, because they have complied. Withdraw and then file, if you are still aggrieved by the order passed by the authorities, file a fresh writ petition. If not, this court maybe will have to dismiss your contempt because there is compliance. Come next week, prepared.
Yes, Lordship.
We list it on Wednesday. Come. Okay,
Yes, Lordship.
we give them time at least
Mal-
Wednesday. Listed again on 28, okay?
I
On
didn't-
28 to 2024. Madam, I'm prepared, I'm prepared. And you are also very efficient. But you have also very good lawyers in Arunachal, I have seen, senior lawyers. Just ask them also. Take some clue from them also. Okay?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes,
Nice.
this is item. Yes,
Yes. Yes, my lord. Yes, respondent number is
this is it. This is item 10. Yes.
Yes, my lord. The respondent is still yet to file in affidavit in opposition. Respondent number 1, 3, and 4.
And who are the respondents?
Whereas,
ma'am?
Please, Your Lordship, I'm appearing for respondents number 2 and
Just-
4.
Just wait. You are appearing for respondent number 2
2
to
and
4.
4, yes, Your Lordship.
2 to 4. You are government advocate?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
And we have filed our affidavit, Your Lordship.
Was it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Have you served the copy?
yes.
They have served. Who is appearing for respondent number 1?
Oh.
For respondent number 1? Union of India.
Oh, no. No, Your Lordship. I think, Kato sir will appear.
Where is Kato?
DGSI.
That's slippery as usual.
Your Lordship, I'm for respondent number 3, and we need some time for filing the counter affidavit, so 3 weeks' time may be given, your lordship.
Three is the private respondent?
Yes, your lordship.
What about Kato? What about the central government? Is it necessary for them to file affidavit?
Yes, madam.
Lordship, government's affidavit will suffice, Lordship, here.
No need for union.
It's the government's, they will be a formal party here.
Okay, but private respondent is there.
Respondent.
Yes, yes, your lordship.
MS so and so. The learned counsel for the respondent number 3. 6 for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Where is allowed? Listed accordingly. Okay. What?
Item number 79, EJ.
Sir, you want to like,